Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your account number and routing number in OnJuno app. If you don't have an OnJuno account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $100 bonus on setting up a direct deposit of $250 or more. But if you already have an account, just open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several icons at the bottom part of the screen. Tap on the bank icon. Now you will see your routing number and account number. That's how you view your account number and routing number in OnJuno app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.